If you're a beginner photographer and you want to learn how to do self-portraits without using a self-timer, keep listening. First thing you're gonna need is a tripod. I use this for my family self-portraits and it is amazing. I can do landscape photos and portrait photos. So I do have an Amazon storefront where you can check this out. It is super heavy duty. I take this again everywhere we go, even to the beach where it is windy, and you can always hook up your bag to add that extra weight to keep it a little bit more sturdy if you like. And remember, you don't necessarily need a really expensive tripod. I just spent a little bit of money on this because I do have heavier equipment. So if you don't necessarily have a really big lens or anything like that, or adding flash, you don't necessarily need a heavy duty, but I like to have a heavy duty, especially when I'm taking it outdoors. I'm in the Bay Area, so it does get pretty windy, so I want to make sure that I have a very sturdy tripod when I'm putting thousands of dollars on this tripod. I want to make sure it's very sturdy and it doesn't fall. I need a camera. My camera, I'm using the Canon R6 Mark II. I also use the Canon R6, but kind of same thing. It does have the interval timer with it. So I'm going to show you how to set up the interval timer to make it so much easier to do self-portraits.
So this is the Canon R6 Mark II. Click menu and find the camera menu. You're gonna have to scroll to find it, but on the Canon R6 Mark II, it's on the 7th page under interval timer. Once you find it, click on it and then change to enable. If you want to change the interval number of shots, click info. The interval is the number of seconds in between each shot taken, and the number of shots is the total amount of photos taken. Once you're done changing the interval and the number of shots, you're going to press OK. So once you see this, that means the interval timer has been activated. Once you're ready to take your self-portraits, fully press down the shutter button and it will start the interval timer. For my lens, I'm using the Canon 28-70 f2.0 and on-camera flash for direct flash. And here are the results. Comment if you have any more questions and follow for more.